This is the hotel, the entrance. Looks pretty cool. Here's walking around the hotel. These are the elevators. I don't like to work most of the time. And then this is the dining room space. And check-in is on floor 2. But it's really pretty. There's the NY bar. And they also have outdoor seating as well outside. It's a very quaint little place if you want just a quick bite or whatever. It's not bad. It's all on the second floor. And I forgot the usual Hardrocks. They also have ownership of a lot of the items that rock stars have. Alright guys, I am in the New York Hardrock. And elevators are that way. I'm on floor 5, room 506. There we go. Cleaned off the lens a bit. Alright, so this is the basic king room that they have. This was earmarked at what? $350? Something of that nature, I want to say. So, yeah. Here's the door. Let me zoom out for y'all. That's the door. Bathroom. So, the bathroom does has a little door you can pull across. But that's about it. Like, that's all you get for privacy. But you can see shadows back here. The marble tile as usual. So that's the toilet. Really quick. You know, you got some towels down there. I put towels on the floor because when I took a shower, I'll explain in a second. You'll see why. So they supply you with some body lotion. They got 2 glasses. Mystery looking container, but this actually has all of your shower caps and everything. Nice mirror control panels over here. You know. And then you actually have that mirror that you can move all over. A little bit of storage down there. So, about this shower. It's a nice shower. From top to bottom, and you get that little rainfall type at the top. However, there's this like seal right here that doesn't go all the way to the bottom. So due to the seal, it's not even and it's not following the pattern. So you end up actually with a bit of water on this floor. I'm gonna tell them about themselves when I check out here. But it's a nice bathroom. Very nice shower. Pressure's not bad, but I'll say this much. When it gets hot, it really gets hot. Don't put your towels there if you plan to turn that on. They will be soaked. Lessons learned while in here. So this is your closet space. So they give you 2 robes, some more pillows. They give you like a little suitcase holder and an actual steamer. That is different. The safe, just the same. And a little bit of storage. Then over here you have a espresso machine. So about Lay espresso machine. I don't like it, and it tastes like dirt. You have to put the water in the back there, and then you open that lid, and you just drop the little thing on its side. So it's like a knockoff version of a Keurig. Then it lights up and everything. But as I said, I don't necessarily like it. It's the flavor that's off for me. So you get 2 glasses, and then you get a Billionaire's water. I tried it. It's not any different. Tastes like the Dasani. Just saying. So that was the ice bin up there. TV. But look at this like console. It's very, very sleek. And then when you stand back and you sit back, it is definitely straight in front of you. Big screen TV, LG. Not bad at all. This is what your bedroom, like your actual bed and everything looks with behind the backboard. Backboard lights up. You have several different light modes you can change to. And then you have the most annoying object in the room. That thing right there. It says 72. It has remained 72 all night, despite the fact that I put it down to even 60 something because it's been hot. Proof of the matter. 56 and it's still 72. It's been 72 all night long. Woo, I even sweat. So you actually got a bench and one chair, and this table is really, really heavy. You have outlets right here. Don't know if you can see those just right, but you have regular outlets and 2 USBs on the side. And then you got your control panel for all the lights back here as well. So put it to relax, and it just changes the lighting a little bit. This is sleep mode, and it's dark. You see that little hole right there under the door? You can hear everybody walking as well. Just letting you know. And then this is the all button. Nope, that's not the all button. That's the all button. So every light is on in here. I mean, it's not a bad room. It's a very immaculate room. Small for the space, but it is New York. But you can definitely tell this was an older building. The elevators give it away. Having problems with the basics, y'all. So, let's talk about the one-up between this Hardrock and Biloxi. Folks go ahead and give Biloxi a lot of crap. However, I don't have rolling blinds up, okay? I push a button and they go up automatically. That's what I was expecting. So when I'm pushing the buttons over there, thinking like that's a part of the lights, clearly was not. Yeah. And off this window, you don't really see much of the city. Can't really see the sidewalk or anything. Just renovations over there going on. And that's about it. So you don't see none of the hustle and bustle of the city at all. Yeah. But this is the room. Comfortable bed. Pillows are flat. Didn't care for them. I mean, there's a reason why there's 4. Probably the reason why there's 2 more, because you're going to end up stacking, because it's still hot in here. But that's about it. Thanks for watching, y'all. Bye.